and welcome back to Makeup with Rue. Makeup with Rue. So today's look is going to be a gold soft glam. We're giving bronzy, of course. We're giving skin, and it's L'Oreal, of course. Everyday L'Oreal. Very dewy, but not too dewy. But we're serving, and of course it's going to be the NYX Pro Lip Palette Combo, which has been my go-to lately and always my go-to for my clients. So stay tuned to this video if you want to see how you can get this look. Alright, jumping straight into the base, keeping it super simple. This is my everyday L'Oreal foundation. It's giving skin, it's giving glow, but still natural. I'm not doing too much here because the focus is really the eyes. So I'm adding concealer just to brighten and lift, and then blending everything out to get a smooth and seamless look. And then of course I'm using a fluffy blending brush for a natural effect. And then we're going to add our contour just for a little definition. This is our black opal stick foundation stick that we use as contour. And then I'm just going to set everything into place so that it lasts. Now for the eyes, I'm going in with the Roxanne color from the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. This is my transition, just warming up the crease, and I just apply that like in circular motions just so that I can break up that concealer highlight to color ratio. So again, with the color Roxanne and just blending that in. Don't mind me, I was singing my little heart out. But ignore me, girl. I also want to make mention that the reason that I'm kind of going back and adding more is to build it up. I don't want to just slap it on, but now I'm going in with the deep brown on the outer corner to create that soft smoky effect. I'm building it slowly so it stays soft and not too harsh, and blending that out just makes everything melt together. Like, if you can tell, I'm going in circular motions and I'm blending that dark brown into my transition color that I just built up, again just to keep it soft but noticeable. So now you can kind of see that we've added some color back into our eyes. It's still very soft, but we're able to see like the contrasting colors. To be honest, the light doesn't do it justice. I think the light kind of washes it out a little bit on camera, but the color is very much there and it's very much pigmented. Then we're going to take a flat fluffy blending brush and start with our gold, which is the start of the look. I'm placing it directly on the lid and letting it naturally create that soft cut crease effect without doing too much. Just layering it a bit to get that shine. And for me, I always like to just go back and add so that I can build the color up without just starting off with a ton of color, because you don't want the look to get too bold. And then I also went back to add a little bit more brown just to give myself a little bit more of that smoky effect, and to blend it into the gold so that it just adds a little bit more definition. And right here, I do take a minute just to clean everything up. If you've watched any of my other tutorials, you know that I line my brows with concealer versus filling them in first. So at the end of my makeup, or towards the end, I begin like just retouching it up, and then I also go in with like liner to sharpen them, as you can see. And then I'm just adding my mascara to prepare for my lashes. Oh, and we cannot we cannot forget the blush, because blush just adds life back to the face. You can already see that gold start to pop, like as I'm adding the lashes. Like you can see the warmth from the transition color, the little bit of smoky that's coming through with the dark brown. Like the colors are literally starting to pop, and the lashes are just going to top it off. I am very excited for this lip combo. We're going to be using NYX for our lip combo, and of course we're going to be using the NYX Pro Lip Palette. This is the new palette, and then we're also going to be going in with the lip liner Club Hopper, also by NYX. Make sure you spray with alcohol anytime you are finished with your palettes. That will keep it lasting long and from building up bacteria, especially like in your eyeshadow palettes when you're going back multiple times with the same brush. And I'm just gonna put that in the middle. Is like a very natural, but with like a little pop of, like a little just soft glam, always soft glam. Get into the Okay guys, thanks so much for watching to the end of this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see more videos just like this, and share with a friend, because we all want to be soft glam baddies. Drop me a comment, let me know if this video was helpful and if you decided to try it, or what videos you like to see next. Till next time, makeup with Rue. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going for like a theme song type of thing, but I hope you guys enjoyed this look for real. I am between changing the lighting, figuring out the lights, figuring out how to use what I have for the background, girl. Anyway, I gotta